Is somebody trying to move in?
Really close. Yep.
Yeah.
I think it's the house. Maybe they're trying to. Maybe they thought that I'm still in the next house or something.
If we see a grenade, Yuki, I think we have to run into your room.
Oh, this room. So should
Yeah.
I open here?
No, not yet, not yet. They're grenading, but they're grenading the wrong house, I think.
Yeah. You guys ready?
Yep.
Knocked. Only knocked.
I killed the down guy.
Wait, let me heal real quick.
Fuck.
Where's that?
Downstairs.
Oh shit! Wait.
Yuki, what are you doing?
Oh shit! Oh shit! I'm going back up.
Save him.
I think you can heal me. Oh shit! Oh nice. Got him.
I think that was an instant kill, right?
Can you
Yeah,
close
yep,
the
yep,
door?
yep,
Can
yep.
you close the door and then heal me.
I think that was an instant kill.
Yeah, I think so. The guy who I knocked out also got killed. So
Nice. There's a car very close. I think you guys still have time to loot those bodies before somebody else comes.
Yeah.
Get some boosts, Yuki.
Back on that.
Another car coming. Oh shit. He's coming for you guys.
Oh shit!
Oh. Oh, Yuki. They're probably gonna grenade.
They're picking
But-
up. Yeah, picking up. The
It's okay.
They'll never suspect I'm in the middle of the room.
Aim for head, Gary. They can third-person view though.
We're in third person?
Yeah. Go. Nice. Oh my god. Awesome.
Holy! The power of the machine gun. They didn't realize I had so many damn bullets.
Yeah.
I think they
Shit.
were waiting for you to run out of bullets and then. Run
Worth it. We're already in top 10, I
That was an
guess.
instant kill, yeah?
Yeah.
out. Yeah.
Boost, Gary, boost. No time.
What do you mean?
Because you got a boost to get your health up.
Oh, okay.
I have a minute, so.
The circle
hear
is
somebody crawling or
sufficiently
walking.
small, so get rid of any scopes that's too far or long distance guns. Yeah,
Wait,
probably
Yuki,
in
what
that
did you hear?
one building.
I heard somebody crawling at the grass or something. So. You can loot my body. I think there's more fives somewhere.
35
But
seconds.
I guess you only have 35 seconds as well. Yeah, that.
Got it. I just need this guy's ammo.
Yeah, I see-
Oh,
hear
I
somebody
hear,
walking.
Gary. Yeah. I wonder if he's coming up for you.
I don't think he'll come up for you, but he'll be very. I.
3 seconds.
Before the circle's coming in, so.
Yeah. Oh shit, oh
good
shit.
decision.
Fuck
Oh,
it.
he's in the house
Fuck it,
next
fuck
to
it,
you.
fuck it.
Red house. The one that Yuki was in.
Ah!
Ooh.
Damn.
Ah!
But then,
Ah! I should have just. Ah!
actually, but then we're only 7th, meaning that there wasn't probably many big teams. Maybe there's just a bunch of like singles and yeah.
11 people left with 7th place. So 6 teams left with 11 doubles.